Stop saving cash. 6 assets that could make you richer. Before the next crisis intro. Imagine waking up one morning. You check your savings account. The number hasn't changed, but somehow your money buys less than it did just a year ago. Groceries cost more, gas costs more, insurance costs more. Everything keeps getting more expensive, except your cash. Millions of people believe keeping money in the bank is the safest financial decision, but history tells a different story. The greatest threat isn't losing your money, it's watching its purchasing power disappear quietly every single year. Today, you'll discover 6 powerful assets that many wealthy Americans use to protect and grow their wealth. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. They're assets designed to work while you sleep. Let's begin. Asset 1. Dividend Stocks Meet. Michael, he's 35 years old. Every month he saved money into his bank account. After 10 years, he had a decent balance, but inflation had quietly reduced what that money could buy. Then Michael discovered dividend stocks. Instead of letting cash sit idle, he bought shares in profitable companies that regularly paid dividends. Now, every few months, money started arriving in his account without selling his investments. He wasn't just saving anymore. He owned part of real businesses that continued earning profits, even while he slept. The lesson? Cash waits. Ownership works. Asset 2, real estate. Next, meet Sarah. She purchased a small rental property. At first, the mortgage payments seemed intimidating, but every month, her tenant helped pay the loan. Years passed. Property values increased, rent increased, yet her mortgage payments stayed nearly the same. One investment created 3 income streams: monthly rental income, property appreciation, and long-term equity. Real estate doesn't simply store wealth, it has the potential to build it. Asset 3. Gold. For thousands of years, empires have risen, currencies have disappeared, but gold has remained valuable. During financial uncertainty, many investors move toward precious metals. Gold doesn't generate income, but it has historically served as a store of value during periods of inflation and market stress. It's insurance for your wealth, not excitement protection. Sometimes protecting wealth is just as important as growing it. Asset 4. Index funds. What if you could own hundreds of companies with a single investment? That's exactly what index funds offer. Instead of trying to guess tomorrow's winning stock, you invest in an entire market: technology, healthcare, energy, retail, finance. If one company struggles, others may continue growing. It's diversification made simple. Many long-term investors prefer consistency over speculation. Slow growth, lower stress, better sleep. Asset 5. Businesses. The wealthiest people often own businesses. Why? Because businesses can continue generating income even when you're not actively working. It doesn't have to be a giant corporation. It could be an online store, a digital product, a YouTube channel, a local service company, or software. The key difference is simple. Employees trade time for money. Business owners build systems that can continue earning. Time becomes an asset instead of a limitation. Asset 6. Knowledge and skills. Here's the one asset nobody can take away. Your knowledge. Technology changes, markets change, jobs change, but valuable skills continue creating opportunities. Learning, investing, negotiation, sales, artificial intelligence, communication, leadership. These skills can increase your earning potential for decades. The greatest investment may actually be yourself. Ending. Here's the truth. Cash isn't the enemy. Everyone needs emergency savings, but keeping all your wealth in cash may slowly reduce its purchasing power over time, especially during inflation. The wealthy don't rely on one asset. They build a diversified portfolio, income-producing investments, real assets, financial assets, and valuable skills. The goal isn't to chase quick riches, it's to create financial resilience that can last through changing economic conditions. So ask yourself, is your money working for you? Or is it simply waiting? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more smart money stories, investing lessons, and wealth-building ideas, because financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens one smart decision at a time.